So the drains are all getting cleared out along the farm. This is the shed slab. This big tractor is clearing out all the drains. It's not a very nice day today. It's really wet and windy. Here's Angel. Here's Elfie. Ashy. Oh, Lulu. What are you doing, honey? And look at this. Okay, so this is the shed slab just here, and it's all getting all done. So it's like nice and scooped. And this is all the grass from it. And around the outside of that over there, you can see, that is where the horse area is going to go. And that's the drainage system for the horse area. So it's going to be really good. Look at all this grass. Hi, Eamon. Hi. The dog's having a good time. So cute. It's a really cold day today. It is the 4th day of autumn. Almost winter. Well, no, it's not really, but... Angel! Oh! You can just see a little angel in there. Oh, she's so cute. Very exciting. Dad's been taking apart that big shed up there, if you can see. Up there, he's been taking apart the old cattle yards up there. Uh-oh, Angel's lead is... Oh! Sorry, Jelly. Caught on that. He's been taking apart the old cattle yards, and we're going to start rebuilding them. They're going to be rebuilt over there in the corner. So that will be exciting. Right now, I am standing in the middle of the shed. All that stuff over there, you can see that is coming, and it's going to be down here on this ground. It's going to be really good. Angel, hi honey. You're standing in the shed, honey. Don't jump, you're dirty. You're dirty. We need to go home and give you a bath. Yes. All right, Lulu. Hey, Luce.
Louis stinks.
Lucy's been swimming. Oh no. No, Jelly. No, honey. She can't be let off because she goes crazy and won't come back. Oh, Jelly. Honey, you gonna go for a walk? Okay, we're gonna go for a walk. Lucy's been swimming in the dam. It's like, I don't know what temperature it is, but it's certainly cold. It's sort of raining. It's looking quite stormy. So, me and Angel over here, we're going for a walk around the farm, and Elfie too. Elfie, oh, and Lucy. Lucy's joined us as well. Okay, so we're going for a walk up the hill to the top of the hill, just to have a little look, and I can get a good picture of, oops, it's so windy. I can get a good picture to show of all this stuff, all of the drain being cleaned and all of that, once I get to the top of the hill. Oh, Angel, you're crazy. Angel just went down that rabbit hole. Oh, and Lucy, everyone's here. We're at the top of the hill now. Oh, that was a hard fall, Angel. Okay, I'm just not trying to fall in that hole. Okay, gonna go over here. Come on, Alfred, we're coming. Hey, everyone, come on. Okay. Oh, here are the old sheep yards. Angel's just gonna go in there. Come on, Angel, that's not safe in there. Come on. Good girl. These right here are the old cattle yards. This is what Dad's been doing. He's been taking off all of the wood that's around the cattle yard. This is all getting demolished because we would like to keep it, but it's just so riddled with holes and it's really old that it's not possible to keep it. Oh, sorry about the wind. It's terrible. It's so windy. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like sleeting with rain. Like, that's not the right word, but it's coming in really harsh. Oh gosh. Oh, here are the rails from the old fence here. Oh my goodness. You can see on the dam that rain is so cold. Angel and me are going to go and explore the cattle yards, aren't we, honey? All right. Come on, this way, this way. I'm going to open the gate. Yeah, I know. Look, ready? Open the gate. There we are. Good girl. Come on. Okay, so this is the old cattle run, I presume. Cattle came in here, went in here, through this gate, and then up this run into this. Okay, so over here is a big gate. Doesn't look like it's been used in a while. Let me shut that. Look at that. All right. This old gate, and then here's the cattle yards running up here again. I jammed my hand in this, actually, ironically, a while ago. Still got the scar. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know if I should be in here, but I'm going to show you guys. Got to keep a record of what this used to look like. This is all cow poo, I presume. Lovely. And some rabbit poo mixed down there. Hey, Angel. Go out of here now. This is, oh look, there's like a little gate. Angel, come on, honey. Come on, good girl. There's a little gate in here that I think goes, yeah, it goes into the rest of the stock. Yeah. Come on, we'll go around this way. Oh, she likes to talk a lot. Okay. Going in here, looking in there. Actually, I'd like to go in there, so I'm going to go around the other side because I've never been in there. Come on. Oh, looks like it's all shut off. Okay. Well, we'll have to think of a way to get in there, won't we, Jelly? Okay. Let's go find a way. Around here is the shed with all the hay in it. You can probably see inside there. It's getting very rainy, so I think I'm going to go inside now. The other day, there's so much of it. So proud of us all. Looks great. Isn't it, Angel? Luckily that fence isn't on still. Alright, come on, we're going to go home now. It's too rainy. Alright, we'll come back to this soon. So, this is another piece of our farm that I wanted to show you guys. So, over here is the dam. So that's another dam. We've got, I think there's 4 or 5 dams. I've forgotten, but definitely 4, maybe 5. So it's really nice over there actually. It's like a little dam. And we'll keep all the dams and we might add some more. We're planning to put trees all around there because we want to get the bird life back here, because cows have been here so much but not really so many birds. So it would be really nice to get some birds back and yeah, let them come back and have trees to nest in and all that. We're obviously keeping all the dead, where are they? So over there you can't see that well, but there's heaps of dead trees. So we're keeping all of them because of parrots and all that stuff. Oops, he likes to nest in the trees. So we'll keep all them. It's going to look really nice when we're finished. The house will be right there with that old jetties and stretching along, obviously, bigger, because that's really bad. But it's going to be really nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but the rain is like going sideways. It's so windy and so cold. I'm just going to wipe the camera away back the camera so you can see better. Now we're going to go to the farm. Oopsie. Ooh. Now we're going to go to the farm shop, like the produce store, and get some food for the animals. And yeah. Lucy, what are you doing? Lucy loves the farm. Poor Angel. I wish she could go off, but she just runs so fast and she can go chase someone else's cows or something. We just don't want to risk it. We're training her though, she's getting better, but she just gets so excited in a new place. But she can still walk with them, she just has to walk with me as well. Oh, she's found a big wombat hole. Okay, I'm going to go walk somewhere else and show you other bits of the farm now too. Come on, Angel. Oh my goodness, look at this. She's disappeared. Where have you gone? She's gone. Hey, come on. Let's go, laneway right here. Now, let's show you the rest of the farm. Over here is one paddock, over there. Over here is the other paddock. They're coming all the way over there. Over there with where those little trees are, that's in the middle of the paddock. Oh my god, it's so wet and rainy. Over here is another paddock. So it really is time to leave the farm just for today because it's so windy and so wet and so cold. So I've got to go to the produce store, pick up some animal food. Then I've got to go out to my horse, pick up poo and maybe ride him, see how the weather is. And then I've got to do some work with the dogs. So that's the end of the farm tour for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll definitely be back with a part 2 once this weather's cleared up. It's been like this for days. It's not very nice, but it's okay. I don't mind it too much. I'll be back with a part 2. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button if you want to see part 2 of our farm tour. And thank you for watching. Angel, so thank you for watching. Hey, Lulu. Say bye. Say bye, Alfred. Good boy. Come on. Gonna go in the car? In you go. Up, up, Alfie. Come on, Lulu. In you go. There we are. Good boy. All right. We'll see the farm again soon, yeah? Yeah? Good dogs. You're so cute.